Hey guys, Leva here. Today I'm going to do another cold start on the Kawasaki. Now it is actually a cold start. It's 28 degrees out and it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and I haven't started it since the last time I started it on a video. I had it sitting on the battery tender overnight because the battery was dead. So, it's frosty. The battery's charged. Unplug that. All done. There we go. There we go. Alright, she's ready. Choke. You can hear it fire, but it has to get gas up to the card, so it's going to take a while for that. Okay. I don't want to sit on the starter all day. I want to ruin it. I'm not going to use ether because that's not going to do much. You can hear it fire. It might not even start today. It's too cold right now. I haven't started it in like 2 months. Choke is on. It's got plenty of fuel. Lights still work. Sit for a minute. Yeah, she's cold, that's for sure. Maybe it's flooded. Here, I'll turn the choke off. I'm gonna have to set you guys down real quick. I'm gonna try to see if I can't. Yeah, we don't see nothing. Yeah, that's gonna be. I don't know. You're just gonna have to look at the sky for a minute. Put the seat back on, I guess. Shoot's not going to start right now, which is alright. You didn't expect it to. Where are you going? Which is alright. I'll maybe try it again later when it's a little warmer out. She ain't gonna start right now. It's alright. Not a terrible big deal. I'll pick that stuff up later. But let's see if maybe the Yamaha will start. I had that running yesterday, so I've never started it in this cold weather. So, and it has no choke. The choke cable does not work. So I'll put it on. Turn the gas on. There's a bird. I don't know if I can prop you guys up here. Maybe. Oh, perfect. Take this off. Yeah, she'll run. Start right up. I figured it would. That's no choke because the choke cable does not work. The choke cable's frozen. The choke cable's frozen. So, smoking a little bit. The idle's a little high, but the idle screw on this thing does not do anything, so I just kind of have to live with it. Oh yeah, she's smoking good. I'll clear up though. That's just when it's cold. Might ride it to school. There's nothing up there today. Yeah, she's ready. I'm gonna shut her off now. Cause yeah, I might ride that to school this morning then, since that started good. Maybe we'll crank on the Kawasaki a little bit more, let it sit a little bit. Hands are starting to get cold. Yamaha started up. Now I gotta get the old faithful to start. Alright. Tilt on. Yep. Yeah, it ain't happening for this baby. That's alright. I'll start her if after school, if it's nice and warm out. I probably can get it started. But I've started it in colder weather, but I've also ran it a lot sooner. Like I'd run it yesterday. Like if I didn't start the Yamaha, if I didn't ride the Yamaha yesterday, I probably wouldn't have started. You want to do a quick start on my pickup? I'm gonna make an update video on that later. Let's see. Almost. There we go. Yeah, I'll make an update video on that later. As you can see, some things are different about it. But yeah, Kawasaki's no-go. Yamaha fired right up. Probably should start my pickup actually, because I'm not going to take it, I don't think. But it's alright. Yeah, thanks for watching.